Okay guys, I'm gonna show you how to make a simple game using arcade.makecode.com. It's a simple gaming site. You can make like arcade games with pixels and stuff. And I actually made a game called Turkey Day, which is in a it's a tutorial that you could make. And there's the coding, and let's check the preview of the game before we do the thing, right? Okay, let's see. There you go. You just have a time, and you could move the turkey, and there's, yeah, so cool. So cool project. The game is a bit hard, you know, s- but it's not hard to make though. Um, that's the point. Just how to go faster and clicking those buttons like that. Super cool game. Oh, 1 minute left. We should release the turkeys to get as much as points as we can. We're so close. There you go. We won. With 1 minute and 8 seconds remaining, and it's a new high score. Let's go. But before that happens, let's see the coding. Just so you could see. Well, let's do the tutorial, shall we? It will be a lot easier to go, right? It's a skill map. Got it. I already finished, right? So you could just view code. Oh shoot, I already did that. So, but let's just see the code before we do. And I actually made. Let me just do like that. There's a on start block which we could get right here, so we could search and get it, or you could just go to um. It always there on loops. You could just go through the loops and get it. And then you gotta go to the game and splash. There's a gotta scroll down a bit. Splash something. So you could type right here, happy turkey day, right? So, and you could change the sound by play sound. There's not that block. Play sound, magic wand. Where's that? Yeah, right here. And go. And you could change the background color by clicking this way, like that. And you could set the tile map just like that. It's actually on the tutorial. I'm just explaining the coding. And when we this is how I made. And be to sure to make it like a wall, so it should be a bit red. Move this red when you finish the drawing. Be sure to mark the walls by this red icon. Sorry I cannot show you the tutorial though, because I already made it. And you could select the sprite from gallery, I guess. Yeah. Or if you're doing the tutorial, it's already there. Just how to go to the My Assets and select it. That's all. It's already there. Just go through with the tutorial, not by yourself for the first time if you're doing this. okay, and move my sprite. You could just get this block from the controller, right? It's already there, but you should set it. You just have to click this icon and 100 and 0, okay, velocity x, yes. Then don't need this camera follow sprite. We could just get it from scene, I guess. Wait, where was it? Yeah, it's right here, scene. And place my sprite top of random. There's a thing called like this one. You could just select it. That's already on the tutorial. You gotta go to the tutorial. Okay. And you could just get this block from the scene. I just have to scroll down a bit. Like that. Okay. He has so many other blocks too. So, and there's another start countdown. You could get that from the info. And right here, there's a countdown. There's so many like start countdown and stop countdown and stuff. Oh, sorry. And on A button press, you could get that block from the controller. Okay. And set my sprite velocity by, okay, to minus 300. And there's another set of blocks right here. You could just get this block from the scene. That's a really long block, like these blocks. You could get those. Guess this one. Yeah. On sprite kind of player overlaps this at location, something, right? So could just get like that. And you could select this one, okay? And game over to win. And countdown and game over lose because the time is up. And when the sprite of kind player overlaps at this location, change score by 1. You could just get it, like I said, from the info, like change score by 1. And so turkey. Now you gotta make a variable called turkey. You gotta make a variable turkey like that and select OK. And you have this. Yeah, you gotta make a set of variables as well. Let me show you guys. Okay, cool. Now, just go to variables and you gotta make item, my enemy, my sprite, and turkey. Four variables. There's so many blocks as well. You could see down functions. That's a bit advanced coding. You could also use animation for like to make it more engaging. And I actually made this one. Happy Turkey Day. Or like something you could just change it. Turkey game. Could just something like that. Like that. Or Happy Turkey Day. And you guys know what? You could just download it to not only in this one, if you could buy a a device like this, a gaming device. There's so many hardwares like Meowbit, BrainPay Arcade, Tinkerjane Game Go. This one is super cool, but I don't have one. I have this thing called Meowbit. I will show you. Wait, just wait. And so you could just, yeah, there's so many hardwares you could find and buy. Don't need to buy actually, because there's this simulator and you could just play the game from this simulator by computer. Don't need to buy a, but I will show you how it works when you when you're doing it from a hardware. I only have uh the first thing, the you saw it right, the thing called Meowbit. That's just like a, it's a really cool. I would highly recommend that software. It's not a software, sorry, the hardware. That device. I would highly recommend that device. Okay, and that's super cool. Okay, so as guys can see, I'm with my meow bit right now. So it's a blue meow bit, and I'm gonna select the hardware. But I already choose hardware. Okay. Now you can just download it to the meow bit. It's taking a while though. Wait a minute. Okay, after you download it, okay, so now you guys could see meow bit, right? So I'm gonna just press it, and you could just play. And these buttons are for movement, and this button is for like jumping. Ah, so a bit hard when I put my phone around like that. Just play it. That's super cool though with the hardware. Well, actually, you don't need a hardware because you have the simulator to play, just like the hardware. But the hardware is a bit easier than the simulator because it's not super hard. You just have buttons. You have buttons to play. It's super cool. Okay, it's so close. Wait. Okay. Oh. Oh my God, it's hard. Okay. I'm in the last. There you go. See, you have, you won. Actually, I win. So that's how you make a simple project with so so easy. It's just how to make the project, right? So it's getting easier and easier when you code. And there's so many projects I made. Wait, let me screen share. So there's so many projects like these, like not Pac-Man, thanks to some of the YouTube channels. So guys can make games too, just like I did. Like it's a simple game, right? So thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe. I'll be sure to be just like this video again soon. This is basically coding. You could also code with Python and JavaScript too. I'm gonna show you that right now. It's got a Turkey Day, so it's better to be with the tutorial though. And let me show you. There's Python. This is Python. So you just click it. Wait a second. It's switching to Python when you. It's just the same code. So yeah. Um. So you could just do that with the blocks as well. And thank you for watching my video. Um. I will be sure to be making a video just like this again. Like you can make your own game right here in this website. Thank you for watching. Bye.